So guys, this is the PPT file, PowerPoint presentation file, and I want to convert it into the Keynote file. So the first step is go to the Chrome and click on your Google search tab. Okay, then then type PPT to key. Then you can see that this is the website called Zamzar. You can open it. Okay, and you can choose the file that you want to convert into the PPT. I already selected the file. Okay, and you can convert into this slide, your slides into the Keynote. Okay, yeah, it will take some time to upload and convert it into the Keynote, but after the conversion you can open it as a Keynote file. So thanks for subscribing. Sorry, thanks for I don't know. Thank you.